use JavaScript along with HTML and CSS. Okay. And again, uh, discussion happen about basic things like how we can declare a variable, how we can use that variable, and what are different types of different ways to declare variable that we have seen, right? Also, we have seen one example. We have tried to discuss about the scope of a variable. There we have seen what is the scope of when we say global variables and when we say local variables. So that through one example we have tried, okay, to check the scope of the variable when it is outside declaration is outside the method and when one variable is declared within the method. So global and local variable. Keywords are also we have seen these words are predefined meaning in JavaScript. So we cannot, these are reserved words. We cannot use these words for giving names to your functions, methods, or your variables. Then operators, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, assignment operator, conditional operator. So these are various types of operators supported by JavaScript. So let us take example here in this script. We have taken all the operations for possible operators. So is it visible to everyone? How to save the code? JavaScript code? Yes. My screen is visible. Okay. So again, this HTML tag, after HTML tag, we have directly taken body tag. Within the body tag, there is a script tag. It means we are next is writing a JavaScript code. So this is indicating use of JavaScript code or JavaScript statement within the coding or body section. यहाँ पर हमारा ये script tag close हुआ है, so script is closed. JavaScript close is JavaScript code is present within the body of the script tag. So here, how many variables we have declared? Yes. कितने variable declare किए हमने? So A, B, C, and one more variable. If you can see here, line break. And what value we are passing to this variable? This is interesting one. This is something new for you, right? So instead of passing string, integer, or possible variable values, what we are passing here? One element. Okay, one HTML element we can pass to this type of variable. Are you getting my point? What I am saying? One complete even HTML script you can pass to a variable declared in JavaScript. In this case, we are passing which element? Which tag this one is? Break. Okay, we will see how we can use this variable and effect of this break tag in the execution. But just consider if this type of operation is also possible or this type of data also you can pass to this type of variable. This is special feature that this variable is having, which is not available in other languages. Is it clear? So we can pass HTML elements to JavaScript variable. Okay. Now document.write. It is similar to your printf statement or cout statement, जैसे मैंने बताया था आपको. And within this, what we have done, a plus b equals to. Okay, so this message we wanted to display on the screen. And after this equals to, what we want to display this result. Result equals to a plus b. Now what is result? What is this result? This is nothing but one variable. Okay, so we haven't mentioned var over here. You can mention, you can skip. this keyword, use of this keyword var. Is it clear? So these are different, ways you can mention, declare variables. You must have knowledge of these things. So this is your variable. A and B is what? A and B is also variable. So A is one variable which is holding 33 value. B is also one variable which is holding value 10. So obviously what result we will get after the completion of this or execution of this particular statement, we will get addition of 33 and 10 because of this plus operator. Okay. Don't do any other things. Which operator we have used here? Plus operator, addition operator. Okay. Next what we have done, document dot write. और यहाँ मैंने क्या डिस्प्ले किया है? Result. And after that see what I have done, document dot write. यहाँ क्या लिखा है हमने? Line break. What is line break? No, what is line break in my case? Variable. Line break is variable. What value that variable is holding? One HTML tag, right? So, but that HTML tags function is to break the line. So if you want to execute it, then we have to save it. सेव कैसे करना है हमें इसे? जैसे ऑपरेटर्स मैंने नाम दिया इस फाइल को, डॉट व्हाट एक्सटेंशन आई हैव टू यूज? यस, HTML. Okay. What next I have to do? All files. I have to provide the location. So location I want to save here in this particular directory where subject WP JavaScript code, and there is one folder JavaScript, and there I want to save it. So this file is और यहाँ पर हमें मिलना चाहिए, क्या नाम दिया था हमने फाइल का? ऑपरेटर्स. दिस वन मिला हमें. सो दिस इज आवर HTML फाइल. यस, ये बहुत जरूरी है. उसका टाइप क्या मिलना चाहिए हमें? जो टाइप हमने मेंशन किया था वो टाइप हमें मिलना चाहिए. देन एंड देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू एग्जीक्यूट द कोड. So what we got, a plus b equals to 43. And where is my script? This one is my script. This operation completed first. Okay. So a plus b equals to next. ये result हमें मिला यहाँ पर 43. Okay. If I put this statement again here, what change I will be having in my output? Yes. क्या मिलेगा अब मुझे? तो आउटपुट कहाँ मिलना चाहिए? Is it clear? See the output. Okay. Got it? So this way it works. क्या मिला हमें? जो रिजल्ट था बाय डिफॉल्ट यहाँ पर आने वाला था a प्लस बी के बाद. बट बिफोर दैट, before this operation executed, I mentioned this operation document.write line break. So because of that वो next line पे चला गया हमारा आउट. In similar case, this is subtraction, this is division, this is which operation? This one, modulo division. Okay. You already have knowledge of these operators. Yes. Only how we can code into JavaScript, that we are taking in this or looking in this example. So a plus b plus c equals to this type of result. Then line break. What is this? Which operation? This one, इंक्रीमेंट. अब इंक्रीमेंट में भी अगर हमें स्पेसिफिक बोलना है तो ये कौन सा ऑपरेशन है? पहले तो वैल्यू ऑफ प्री इंक्रीमेंट और दूसरा क्या होता है? पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट. Now see, what is the value of A? 33. Now what would be the value of A after execution of this operation? 30. Test. यहाँ पे रहिए, लिखा होगा हमने वैसा, ये टेस्ट लिखा है ना यहाँ पर, दिस वन वेरिएबल सी इक्वल्स टू टेस्ट लिखा हुआ है, तो a प्लस बी, so it will consider as it is value test to test, so 10 plus 33 plus test, so it is coming out 43 test, output is 43 test. So these are the differences when you are using variables in JavaScript and you will use variables in other programming languages. So these different differences you have to remember. Okay. So here, what could be the result after this operation? Yes. When I will display this result, what result I will get? यहाँ मुझे रिजल्ट क्या मिलेगा और मुझे यहाँ रिजल्ट क्या मिलेगा? टेल मी. ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है यहाँ रिजल्ट हमें, क्या है? हियर 33, यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? वेयर इज दैट रिजल्ट? यही है ना? तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू? 33. रिजल्ट क्या मिला हमें यहाँ पर? 35 क्यों? कहाँ हुआ 2 बार? कहाँ पे? ये हियर a इक्वल्स टू प्लस 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 ए, रिजल्ट में कहाँ हुआ? बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस डिस्प्ले ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट, आउटपुट ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट?
तो करेगा 10 प्लस ए के बाद क्या है?
आपको समझ में आ गया ना सबको?
हाँ सर.
Everyone is clear? Yes, that is what I am expecting. A equals to plus plus A means initially it is 33. Now it becomes 34. This value is given to A. और हमने यहाँ पर फिर से क्या किया है? 34 के साथ फिर से एक बार प्लस प्लस किया है. Now it is coming 35 and 35 will be given to this result, and this result we have displayed in this through this statement. Yes. After this, so similarly for decrement, so initially it was 10 minus minus b coming out to be 9. Then again, before passing it to the result variable, we have again one more time used the same operator. So incrementation and decrementation. Is it clear? So it is pre-increment or pre-decrement operation. Now in case of post increment and post decrement operation, what will happen? क्या होगा वहां पर? अगर मैं यहाँ पर प्री इंक्रीमेंट करता हूँ, सॉरी पोस्ट इंक्रीमेंट, फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक a plus plus, so what will be the result of this statement? Now tell me finally what will be the result of these many lines? 30. Sure.
Yes.
Shall I execute it? Now look at the screen. What I am telling you. So initially it was 33. Am I clear? Yes. Then a plus plus equals to a. So 33 will be assigned to variable a, and the value of this variable becomes 34. Are you getting my point? ये वैल्यू असाइन होने के बाद इसकी वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी, मतलब असाइन क्या हो जाएगा 33 और वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी यहाँ पर 34. नेक्स्ट हमने क्या किया, अगेन वी हैव टेकन दिस a plus plus. So which a will be considered here? Again this variable a. तो इसमें क्या था 33. तो 33 फिर से असाइन हो गया कहाँ पे, रिजल्ट को, और बाद में क्या होगा a प्लस प्लस. इज इट क्लियर? तो फर्स्ट साइकिल में एज इट इज वैल्यू असाइन होगा, सेकंड साइकिल में अगर हम उसे यूज करते हैं तो वहां पर हमें इंक्रीमेंटेड वैल्यू मिलेगी. ओके, यस. So this is one thing about the operators. कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर कौन से होते हैं, इक्वल टू, नॉट इक्वल टू, ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, etc. So we will take this example for this. Is it visible? Variable a, variable b, again line break we have used. What is this? This is what comparison, whether both values of both variables are equal or not. Okay, double equals to. Here we want to see a is less than b or not. यहाँ पर क्या होगा रिजल्ट, यहाँ पर रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, a equals to b. What will be the result? चलो डायरेक्ट सेव करते हैं हम लोग, सेव एज. कौन सा ऑपरेटर थे ये, कंपैरिजन. ठीक है, अगेन आई हैव टू ऑल फाइल्स, ओपन विथ. क्या मिला हमें वैल्यू यहाँ पर, फॉल्स, ट्रू, फॉल्स, ट्रू, राइट, बेस्ड ऑन the operation that we have or the result of the operation that we have mentioned. So a double equals to b, a is 10, b is 20, a double equals to b, false. A is less than b, true. A is greater than b, false. A is not equals to b, true. A is greater than or equal to b, false. A is less than or equal to b, true. Clear? इतना स्पीड ठीक है हमारा, because these are other operators that we already, means you already might be learn in different languages like Java, C++ or in first year, right? So Python, yeah, Python is also there. Logical operators and, or, not, Want to check this again? Tell me again, A and B, what will be the result? Yes, true and false. Result will be truth table. Then A, this is for or, A or B, and this is negation of and or negation of or. हो गया क्या भाई साहब? नींद आ गई है? कौन से ऑपरेटर से ये? कौन से ऑपरेटर थे ये? लॉजिकल. ओके. सेव. अगेन वी कंपैरिजन. क्या नाम दिया मैंने इसे? एग्जीक्यूट. कंपैरिजन लॉजिकल. चलो ठीक है, जो भी. तो आउटपुट तो मिला हमें. वेयर इज आउटपुट? So this one. Are you getting this all? Yes. So A and B, when A is having true and B is having false, when this AND operator will give true result. Yes. Huh? No, I want AND should give me true result. So I have to change either value of A or either value of B. Right? So I'm clear that you all are clear with this logical operator, right? Bitwise operator and bitwise OR, XOR, left shift, right shift. Okay. So these are again assignment operator. C equals to A plus B. We already many times use this application, this operator. What is the extension of this statement? C plus equals to A. It is nothing but C equals to C plus A. Sometimes question might be, given in this pattern to you in your final examination. Then you have to understand what is the meaning of this, statement. C plus equals to A. It means what? C equals to C plus A. Similarly, this way, multiply assignment C into equals to A. C equals to C into A. Okay. So divide and assignment. Then modulo division. So these are other operators. This one is again one important operator, miscellaneous operator. It is called as miscellaneous operator. See the format. Last time the question is asked on this particular operator. Is it visible to everyone? Don't look here and there. Mobile phones वगैरह please use नहीं करना है class में, lab में. So syntax. Is it visible? Highlight section. Question mark, colon, condition. If condition is true, then value x tends to value x, otherwise value y. Let us try to understand with this example. So look at here, variable a is having 10, variable b is having 20, and what is the operation that we have mentioned here? Look at this much portion. क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर? A is greater than B? Question mark. If it is true, then result will be 100. If it is false, result will be 200. Am I clear? Yes. क्या क्या मिलेगा हमें रिजल्ट? ये तो स्टेटमेंट डिस्प्ले होगा एज इट इज. नाउ हियर ऑपरेशन विल बी actual take place. What operation is here? This miscellaneous operator we have used. Okay, syntax is this one is the statement, question mark, positive result, colon, negative result. For example, in this case, if A is greater than B, if it is so, result will be 100. If it is not so, or if it is wrong, result will be 200. Is it clear? Any confusion? Let us try to execute it. So file, save as. Miscellaneous क्या स्पेलिंग है? MIS आई डोंट नो, बट मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है. ठीक है, HTML. यहाँ पर क्या करना होगा हमें? ऑल फाइल्स एंड मार्क सेव. तो हियर इट इज. ओके, ओपन विथ अगेन. So A is greater than B. We have to check. A is greater than B. नहीं है. So result would be 200. If A is less than B, result would be 100. Is it clear? Yes. देखो question, then question mark, then if the question is true, everything is fine, then first value. If everything is not fine, then second value. Is it clear? So this way you have to understand it. So this one point we wanted to discuss. Type of operator. Number, string. So ठीक है, we will stop here today, and now you may start working on this your 6th assignment. Yes.